Independence Day. August 15th is a very special day for India because it is Independence Day. On this day in 1947, India became free from British rule after many years of struggle. People all over the country celebrate this day with great joy and pride. Schools and colleges hold flag hoisting ceremonies and students sing patriotic songs. There are also parades and cultural programs that showcase India's rich heritage. The Prime Minister gives a speech from the Red Fort in Delhi, highlighting the achievements of the nation and paying tribute to the freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives. Independence Day is a reminder of our nation's journey to freedom and a day to celebrate the unity and diversity of India. Many homes and buildings are decorated with the tricolor flag, and people wear clothes in the colors of the national flag. There are also kite flying competitions in some parts of the country, symbolizing freedom and independence. Children often participate in drawing and essay competitions on topics related to freedom and patriotism. Independence Day is a time for reflection on our past and commitment to building a brighter future. It is a day when Indians feel a deep sense of pride and honor in their country. The air is filled with patriotic songs and the spirit of independence. Fireworks light up the sky in the evening, adding to the festive atmosphere. This day reminds every Indian and of the value of freedom and the responsibilities that come with it. Thank you.